How to create a poll on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to create a poll on your Facebook. Now let's just jump right in. Open up your Facebook app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, what you want to basically do is go ahead and find your groups by tapping on the menu icon at the top right, and then go over to groups. Once you are here, tap on any one of the groups that you are in. So I'll just go ahead and tap on this group. Now you can just go ahead and tap on write something. And then right below that, you can find the poll section. If you don't see poll there, tap on write something. And then scroll down here, you can find a poll. Tap on it. Then you basically have to ask your question. So I'll just do something simple like, who's your favorite superhero? Now, once you've done that, you can easily add option. Now you can keep adding options as much as you want. You can also add pictures by tapping on the gallery icon right besides that. And you can also tap on add poll option to add other options. Once you've added all of your options, you can change the settings so you can allow members to add options. If you want to turn this off, just toggle this off and allow people to choose multiple options. You can toggle this off as well. Now once you've done that, tap on done at the top right and then tap on post. You could also add a caption if you want. I'll just post it just like so. And once the poll has been posted, you could easily send your vote. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.